Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to use the Gemini 3 Flash API in Python. So Gemini recently released a new model which is Gemini 3 Flash. First they released Gemini 3 Pro and now they have released Flash. So we get to use the Flash API for free, but it is limited to requests per day. So it's kind of 20 requests per day, so we can use it. And if you want more requests, then you can use the pro version or just buy a paid plan of Gemini 3 Flash. So Flash is that it gives fast answers. The pro is it does a lot of thinking and then it gives the answers. So first open up your Visual Studio Code and make sure you have opened the folder, and in that folder create a Python file. So I'm going to create app.py, and now we'll go to Google AI Studio, and here we will just click on create API key. So here we are going to create an API key for us. So you can select an existing cloud project or you can create a project here, but I'm going to select the existing one, which is Gemini 3 test, and then I'm going to just click on create key. Okay, is not enabled. Okay, then we'll just simply create a new project, Gemini 3 test, create project. The project has been created, and we will give the name also same, Gemini 3 test, create the key. Now our key API key will be generated. You can see here is the key. So this key we are going to use. It's a free tier. If you set up the billing, then the request as you request, then it increases the bills. So for that, now just go to the Gemini 3 developer guide. You have to just click on API quick start and then come to Gemini 3, and this is the code for Gemini 3 Pro preview. So what you have to do is just copy this and then paste it here, and instead of Pro just type in Flash, and in contents change the content, explain the theory of relativity in simple terms. So this was auto generated, so I chose that. Now we need to put the API key. So here you have to type API underscore key equals to, as a string you have to put your API key. So I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here, and make sure you have the Google Gen AI package installed. So for that, just open up your terminal and just type in pip install Google-Gen AI. So my requirement is already satisfied, so it was already installed. Now let's run this. Now while giving the response, it might take some time, like it might take some 5 to 10 seconds, but it will give a reply. Yes, now you can see it has given us the reply. What I'll do is I'll just copy this, as it has given me the reply in readme format. So I'll just sorry, it's given me the reply in markdown format. Yeah, and I'll just paste it in a markdown file. So this is how it looks. To understand the theory of relativity, you have to throw away the idea that time and space are fixed. This is the speed part, then the gravity part, then why does this matter to you, and then summary in one sentence. That special relativity says that time slows down the faster you move. General relativity says that gravity is caused by heavy object wrapping around the fabric of space and time. So this is the output we get, and we get it in markdown format. Now in the prompt I'll just tell it uh, give the output in normal text, and I just hit the run button. Now we'll see whether we get it in markdown format or just a normal text, which we can read it even in the terminal itself. Yes, we get it in normal format. There's nothing like special headings. So if we copy this and we put it in output, you can see it's just a normal text. There's anything like the headers or anything. but I prefer the previous version because it clearly explains different sections of relativity, and it also explains in one sentence at the end, and it showcases the different section of the output. So that is better if you are applying this API in an application. So this is how you use the Gemini 3 Flash preview model in Python. What you have to do is first go to Google AI Studio, then create an API key for your existing Google Cloud project, and then go to the API Quick Start, then go to Gemini 3 and just scroll here and click on Python and just copy this code, and in your code editor paste it. Instead of Pro, replace it with Flash, and then this contents will be your prompt. And make sure you put the API key in genai.client, and make sure you install Google-Genai PIP package. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like such kind of content, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.